Hi, welcome to modeling graphics. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to collect envelope design job for printing. Alright. Now, let's assume we are printing 100 copies of envelopes. We want to collect the job for 100 copies. Right, we are going to head over to our calculator right now. Hope this thing will not depend. Alright, then I told you inside one pack of envelope we have 25. Alright, times 2. Then that means we are going to print. We have 25 will be 25 times 2 will be 50. So we are going to do 4 pack of envelope. Alright, that is 4 times 25, that will be 100. So we are doing 4 pack of an envelope for 100 copies of envelope. Alright, then this, you need to know the amount your envelope is how much are they selling. If it is white envelope, if it is not brown envelope, there is an envelope that they print on. But if you are in a printing area, you said if you call it white envelope, they will understand. Alright, they will understand. If it is not brown envelope, it is white envelope that you are printing that on. Alright, then the amount, you need to know the amount of envelopes. I will assume that the amount of the envelope is 1000 times 4. That means you are going to collect 4000 naira for the envelope. For the printing, let's assume is 1200. Alright, you are going to times it by 4 again. You are getting the price for that is 4800. That is for the printing. Now we are now going to do that is 4800 plus 4000 naira, that is 8000 for only the printing alone. Only the printing, both you bought the envelopes, the place you want to print, they are collecting 4800. Alright, that is for the printing. You will add your design money. Let's assume you are collecting 5000 naira for design money. 5000 naira, that is 13000 naira. Alright, for the design money. For the transportation, let's assume it's 1000. Yeah, you are collecting 14000 naira. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell in order to see more video coming.